If I have 5 million naira today, should I buy land or should I buy stocks? Hello guys, welcome back to Finance Friday, the series where we simplify money and investing so you can make better financial decisions. Today we are going to answer a question that everyone keep asking whenever they have like 1 million or 5 million or whenever they have money to either buy land or buy stocks. And I know a lot of persons will immediately say buy land. Land never depreciates. But is that really true? Let's talk about it. First, let us clear up one misconception. People often say that land always appreciates. That is not entirely true. Land does not magically increase in value. What increases the value of a land are the development around that land. Things like new road, university, a shopping mall, government infrastructure, population growth, or commercial activities. These are the things that make land more valuable over time, not just the land itself. So if you are buying a land strictly as investment, you must ask yourself one simple question. What is likely to happen in this area over the next 5 to 10 years? Buying land because someone told you to appreciate is not an investment strategy. Researching about that land is an investment strategy. Now let us compare land and stocks. Let's assume you have 5 million naira. You could buy land in a developing area, or you could buy 5 million naira worth of share in a strong Nigerian company. Both have the potential to grow, but they behave very differently. Let us look at liquidity. Let's say an emergency happens tomorrow and you need cash. With stocks, you can share your shares through your broker, and once the transaction settles, your money is available within 48 hours. Sometimes it's even within 24 hours with the new law that we have now. But with land, it's not that simple. You need to find a buyer, you need to negotiate, you need to verify documents, you need to sign agreements, you need to complete the transfer. The process can take weeks or even months. So when it comes to liquidity, stocks have a clear advantage. Now, let's also look at regulation and risk. This is something many people overlook. The Nigerian Stock Exchange market operates within a regulated market. And I must tell you, the Nigerian Stock Exchange market is very regulated. Companies are required to meet reporting standards, and there are rules that are designed to protect investors. Land in Nigeria is different. There have been cases where people brought land from developers who didn't have the proper government approvals. And these people discovered years later that the land was under government acquisition. Others found out that multiple people have bought and sold the same plot of land. We see this every single day. That doesn't mean land is a bad investment. No, not at all. It means you must carry out proper due diligence before buying. You need to do a lot of research. When it comes to income, or some might say it's even passive income, stock can generate income through dividends. Some companies pay shareholders a portion of their profit every year. So if you want income from your stocks, you can buy a dividend-paying stocks. But land, on the other hand, usually do not generate income by itself, unlike stocks. However, if the land is suitable, you might lease it to a farmer or a business while waiting for the land to appreciate. So both investments can generate income, but in different ways. Which one can make you more money? And here's the honest answer from me. Nobody knows. A well-located piece of land that is brought before major investment can multiply significantly in value. You can make a lot of money. Likewise, buying share in a strong company and holding them for many years can also produce excellent return while paying dividends along the way. The quality of the investment matters more than the type of the investment. Good land beats bad stock. Good stock beats bad land. So which one should you choose? I think it depends on your goals. If you want something you can easily buy and sell with a stronger regulation and less paperwork, stock might be a better fit. If you have done your research and identify an area with genuine long-term growth potential, land can be an excellent investment. Personally, I don't think this should be an either-or decision. If your finance allow it, I think you should buy both land and stocks. Diversifying your investment will reduce your risk. But if you are just starting out and you don't have time or the experience to properly evaluate the investment decision, then I think you should just buy shares in a good company. Go to the Nigeria NGS 30, pick a company there and buy stock in that company. Now, I want you to remember this. The best investment isn't land or stocks. The best investment is an investment that aligns with your financial goal, an investment you have taken time to understand. If you enjoyed this episode of Finance Friday, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone that's trying to decide where to invest their money. If you have 5 million naira today, would you buy land or stocks? And tell me why in the comment section. As always, this is my personal opinion. I will see you next Friday. Thank you very much.